Hey folks, welcome back to the garage. It's that time of year where we have to reflect and look back over the reasons why my channel is so unsuccessful. So for this year, we're going to pivot from garage stuff to workshop stuff. And this will allow me to focus on all of my crazier ideas. It's also time for spring cleanup. So I have some stuff I got to get rid of. And today I'm going to make a tool that's going to help that out. This is dangerous, so don't try it at home. Ladies and gentlemen, seriously, don't do this. Do not make this. I have a shower door I gotta get rid of. By the way, another idea for an old shower door, instead of destroying it on camera, is like a dry erase board. I do have two though, so maybe that's what I'll end up doing with the other one. I have 2 layers of this. This is a burn-proof glove. And this one. Don't try this at home. My entire premise is flawed. I'm not going into business for Shatter Strike anytime soon. Tempered glass, am I right? I regret to inform that Sleazy's Workshop is DOA, unless, yeah, it's pronounced Sleazy now. Postmortem. Where did it go wrong? Not enough ceramic? Maybe we need to crust the whole thing? Smaller glass to test on. A mannequin fist that we could swing in from the side. Power assisted. Shotgun shell? Rocket. Y'all remember your first welding fire, right? Where you tried to put hot plastic out with your hand? It's only sleazy if it comes from the used car salesman portion of France. Otherwise, it's just sparkling degeneracy. It's just like the rest of the content. The quality of my April Fool's jokes is slipping too. Jesus Christ.